Function of F key in keyboard.
Function keys F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. The function keys or F keys on a computer keyboard, labeled F1 through F12, are keys that have a special function defined by the operating system or by a currently running program. Let's start. The function of F keys in keyboard. Function of key F1. F1 is almost used as the help key. Almost every program opens a help screen when this key is pressed. Enter CMOS Setup. Windows key plus F1 would open the Microsoft Windows Help and Support Center, and also used for open the task pane. Function of key F2. F2 function is in Windows. Renames a highlighted icon, file, or folder in all versions of Windows. Alt plus Control plus F2 opens document window in Microsoft Word. Control plus F2 displays the print preview window in Microsoft Word. F2 also quickly rename a selected file or folder. Enter CMOS Setup. Reduce laptop screen brightness on some laptops. Function of F3 key. F3 often opens a search feature for many programs, including Microsoft Windows, when at the Windows desktop. In MS-DOS or Windows command line, F3 will repeat the last command. Shift plus F3 will change the text in Microsoft Word from upper to lowercase or a capital letter at the beginning of every word. F3 key also used for Windows key plus F3 opens the advanced find window in Microsoft Outlook. F3 key also used for open mission control on an Apple computer running Mac OS.Increase laptop screen brightness on some laptops. Function of F4 key. F4 key function is to open find window in Windows 95 to XP. Open the address bar in Windows Explorer and Internet Explorer. Repeat the last action performed Word 2000 plus. Alt plus F4 closes the program window currently active in Microsoft Windows. Control plus F4 closes the open window within the current active window in Microsoft Windows. Function of key F5. In all modern Internet browsers, pressing F5 will refresh or reload the page or document window, open the Find, Replace, and Go to window in Microsoft Word, starts a slideshow in PowerPoint, puts on the laptop keyboard. Backlight in some laptops also varies the brightness and or puts off the light. Function of F6 key. F6 key function is to move the cursor to the address bar in Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and most other Internet browsers. Control plus Shift plus F6 opens to another open Microsoft Word document. F6 key also used to reduce laptop speaker volume on some laptops. Also mute laptop speaker on some laptops. Function of F7 key. F7 key is commonly used to spell check and grammar check a document in Microsoft programs, such as Microsoft Word, Outlook, etc. Shift plus F7 runs a thesaurus check on the word highlighted. F7 key also turns on caret browsing in Mozilla Firefox, increase laptop speaker volume on some laptops, or reduce speaker volume in others. Function of F8 key. F8 key used to enter the Windows Startup menu, commonly used to access Windows Safe Mode, used by some computers to access the Windows recovery system, but may require a Windows installation CD. Displays a thumbnail image for all workspaces in Mac OS. Increase laptop speaker volume on some laptops. Function of F9 key. F9 key function is refresh document in Microsoft Word. Send and receive email in Microsoft Outlook. Opens the measurements toolbar in Quark 5.0. Reduce laptop screen brightness on some laptops with Mac OS 10.3 or later. Displays a thumbnail for each window in a single workspace. Function of F10 key. F10 key is used in Microsoft Windows. Activates the menu bar of an open application. Shift plus F10 is the same as right-clicking On a highlighted icon, file, or internet link, access the hidden recovery partition on Compaq, HP, and Sony computers. F10 also used for Enter CMOS Setup on some computers. Increase laptop screen brightness. On some laptops with Mac OS 10.3 or later, shows all open windows for the active program function of F11 key. F11 is used for enter and exit full screen mode in all modern internet browsers. Control+ F11 as computer is starting to access the hidden recovery partition on many Dell computers. Access the hidden recovery partition on Emikine's, Gateway, and Lenovo computers. F11 also used with Mac OS 10.4 or later. Hides all open windows and shows the desktop functions of F12 key. F12 key functions is open the Save As window. In Microsoft Word, Control+ F12 opens a document in Word. Shift+ F12 saves the Microsoft Word document like Control+S. Next F12 function like Control+Shift+ F12 prints a document in Microsoft Word. Preview a page in Microsoft Expression Web. Open Firebug or browser debug tool with an Apple running Mac OS 10.4 or later. F12 shows or hides the dashboard. F12 also access the list of bootable devices on a computer at startup, allowing you to select a different device to boot from: hard drive, CD or DVD drive, floppy drive, USB drive, and network. Mutes the microphone on some laptops. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.